Shatan up at the penalty box door. Let loose right now. Sergei Samsonov on a quick give and go to the front. The pass never arrived. Shatan's got a step on the D. Miroslav Shatan's in. Goal!
And as Ray Whitney got his attempt wiped out, the timing of Shatan coming out of the box, he gets liberated, and then he lays one past Cam Ward. Good look from our